Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech, and here we are guys. I didn't expect to do this video today, but I'm here with a quick street tech video in a different location. Check where I am here. It's not exactly my usual spot, but you know what? It doesn't matter because I'm here to do a quick unboxing of this Redmi Note 5. Now, why Redmi Note 5, you guys? This is an old phone. Well, I'll tell you guys why. Because every single one of you, more than any other phone, have been asking, when are you going to compare the Mi 8 to the Redmi Note 5, the Mi 8 SE to the Redmi Note 5, the Mi 6X to the Redmi Note 5, the Redmi Note 6 Pro to the Redmi Note 5, and now finally the Mi Max 3, and sorry for the glare there, to the Redmi Note 5. When are you going to compare it? Well, this is a first look comparison of these two phones. And so first off, let me put the Mi Max to the side there and quickly show you guys which is the one I got right here. So this is the Redmi Note 5 global version. I got it just at the Mi store here in Hong Kong. Now, I wasn't going to get this phone. I was kind of bored of it. I'd used it previously until I said, hey, wait a second. This looks pretty cool. And look at it. It's the red version. That's right, guys. This is the red version of the Redmi Note 5, a phone I've used before, but I've never seen in this awesome new red color. So let's have a look at what it looks like as I unbox this Redmi Note 5. So let's have a look right here. You can see it there. Let's put the phone aside for a quick second. And look, I just turned it on, so bear with me, guys. This is a brand new unboxing here. So just kind of showing you guys here what's inside. We have a charger. We have right there is the kind of USB cable. There's a little the SIM ejector tool in there, and I can tell, you can already see through there that there is a case inside, and it's a clear case. But I'm not going to do a full unboxing here, but just to show you guys that there is all the usual materials there for the Redmi Note 5 in it, and it comes with a case included, so that's great. Now let's look at this phone right here, the Redmi Note 5. Wow, this phone, honestly, like, this may be kind of the version that I probably like the most thus far. Let's see if I can kind of get through this section here real quick, and I'll be right back once I have it fully launched. So here it is, guys. I'm in the phone, just launched. This is the 4GB, 64GB version, just in case you guys didn't see the box. But I think what you really want to see is the design of this phone. Let's have a look right here. Oh my gosh. I think this phone might have the OnePlus 6 red color kind of, it might have it beat right here. I mean, I think the OnePlus 6 in red is absolutely beautiful. And I honestly think though this red is really beautiful. Look how deep that red is. And you can see it there in the light. It looks really great. And honestly, I mean, this reminds me a lot of the iPhone 8 Plus and the iPhone 8 that came out in red color recently, because it's got that black front there, and it's got that dual camera setup there. So this is looking pretty awesome. I'm super excited to kind of test this phone out and kind of put it through its paces. And now, you know, like, now that we have these two together, let's kind of do a quick comparison here. Let's see if I can get them kind of in proximity to each other there. And this is the size comparison you can see there between and sorry for the glare there, guys, but you can see there between the Mi Max 3 and the Redmi Note 5. You know, there's no denying which is the bigger phone there. You can definitely tell right there. This phone is huge, and the the Redmi Note 5 looks just tiny in comparison. But you know what? Like, this phone, the Redmi Note 5, I definitely appreciate everything about it. It definitely is running a smaller screen, and it's running a 4,000 milliampere battery. So you can expect it's definitely gonna. Let's kind of put it over here, over the Mi Max 3 to kind of see how it fits. And oh man, you can see it there. It dwarfs it. It dwarfs it. Now, you know, in all honesty, is the design of this phone great? It's great. And is the ergonomics of this phone better? It's much better. I mean, is this really all you need for screen? Probably, man, probably. It makes the Mi Max 3 look just kind of ridiculous. But, you know what? The Mi Max 3, damn. Do you want one device to rule them all? Do you want one tablet device with the best battery life of all time? And this is one thing I'll mention about the battery, guys, right here. I've been running this phone since yesterday. I unplugged it yesterday morning. I'm at 43%. And it's 6 p.m. on the second day, guys. This battery is unbelievable. And just to quickly show you here, and pardon the glare again, let's see if I can pull it up here. And it's hard to do this with one hand here. But let me show you guys where I'm at so far with the screen on time. I'm at 4 hours and 22 minutes with 42% left, and that's considering I haven't been using it completely fully throughout the day. I'm sure if you were doing a lot of video and a lot of other stuff, this screen on time would be even higher. But that alone, even at 42% with 4+ hours of screen on time of kind of just varied use, that is incredible. It'll probably get to 6 hours, and it could probably get to 8 or 10 hours, I'm sure, without issue. So, but you know what, guys? This is just a first look there to compare the phones. These are running the same Snapdragon 636, so it's going to be really interesting to see how they actually compare and how the Redmi Note 5 really compares in terms of camera to this phone, because I think they're rocking similar cameras and just similar experiences. That's why I got this phone, because I wanted to see, first of all, what this beautiful, beautiful red color looked like, and then really give a fair comparison between the Redmi Note 5 and the Mi Max 3. Consider this my next series of videos. Now I do have a couple other videos that I did over the weekend. I'm gonna upload those. Feel free to watch those if you want. If you don't, who cares? But if you want to stay tuned to my Mi Max 3 coverage, stay tuned, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up there. And if you love the content, if you want to see more Mi Max 3 videos, definitely hit that subscribe button. I'll know that you guys it's been really popular. This has been a maximum phone for my channel so far, guys. So I'm really excited to keep doing video and footage of it for you guys here on Frankie Tech. So stay tuned, guys, and any other comments, questions, just drop them in the comment section there. Anyways, this is another Frankie Street Tech video. Getting to kind of evening time here in Hong Kong. Still blue skies though, but get ready, guys. Stay tuned, because can't wait to start comparing this Mi Max 3 to the Redmi Note 5 and a bunch of other phones I got. Anyways, guys, I'll leave you here, and this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.